Hi, Vicki Bentley here with Everyday Homemaking, and I often get asked about using stainless steel cookware for eggs because I always tout stainless steel cookware. I'm not a big fan of non-stick surfaces, and so people will say, yeah, but I have to have a non-stick surface for my eggs because you can't make scrambled eggs or fried eggs in a stainless steel skillet. So I'm here to show you some tips and tricks to use your stainless steel to be able to cook your eggs. All right, so I'm not a pro with this video thing, so we'll do our best here. All right, so here I have, this is the stainless steel cookware that I've been using for over 20 years, right at 20 years. I think the whole set cost me, well, now it would cost you about $2 something. I think I paid $175 for the whole set. A lot of the pieces are designed specifically, they fit well with a larger family. I'll have to show you after, the pieces are larger. The smallest saucepan is almost 2 quarts. So this is my 11-inch skillet, and I'm going to be making eggs. So I'm just going to turn it on, and the first mistake most people make is turning their skillet on too high. So I've got mine on just barely above medium, and I'm going to heat it till it's barely warm in the bottom. And with stainless steel, you want to go ahead and heat it before you put any kind of fat in it or your food in it, because contrary to popular opinion, stainless steel is actually slightly porous. And so if you put your food in it when it's cold, the food goes into the pores and then it sticks when it heats up. So if you heat the skillet to warm so that the metal can expand, it fills those pores. See, now it's hot, so I'm going to take, you may use some kind of spray or something. I'm putting a little smear, you can see there's barely anything in there, a little smear of my less than an oil mixture. I have my eggs over here in my Pampered Chef small batter bowl. I'm going to mix those up with my little mini whisk. I love this little mini whip. And my fat in here is beginning to slightly warm up and bubble a little bit, so my eggs are ready to go in. And when I mix my eggs, I add just a splash of water to it, and the water forms steam, which causes a little bit of a puffiness in the eggs. I probably could have waited a little bit longer to put these in, but so you're getting to watch this in real time. When I break my eggs, I will often break them into, if I'm doing a bunch of eggs, I'll break them into, I probably should have let this heat up a little bit longer. I will break them into a small container first so that if I've got any shell in the egg, I can get that shell out of that one particular egg instead of trying to fish it out of 10 or 12 eggs. And this was just 4 eggs. I'm just cooking for a couple people here this morning. And as it starts to set, I can pull it with my rubber spatula. And you can see here, I don't know how well you can see this, as I go through with the rubber spatula, you can see it's not sticking to the bottom. I don't know how well you can see this. See how it just glides through there and pulls the egg off? It's not sticking. It just glides on through. Alright, so I'll show you when we're all finished so you don't have to sit here and watch this whole process.